This is Kilo, and today the stickers arrived for the channel. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you guys already purchased from the Etsy shop, I have already shipped out stickers to those of you who did ask for a sticker once they came in. Every item that you guys order on the shop from here forward will include one of these stickers for free. Those of you who already ordered before they ever arrived, if you guys haven't sent me a message confirming that you wanted one, just go onto the Etsy page, send me a message on there, letting me know that you guys would like one, and just give me your mailing address again and I can send one of these out to you. Free of charge. It's on me. I'm sending this out to everyone who ordered. Those of you who have already sent these two, if you check your messages on Etsy, I let you know that there is one in the mail for you already. So you guys can expect that pretty soon. On that note, I just had a couple of updates for you guys kind of regarding the Etsy page. Those of you who have been ordering, some of you guys have noticed that the ETAs have not lined up. Some of you guys have received them early. Some of you have, you got them pretty late. One of the buyers actually got his pretty late, and I don't know why. I have noticed that the southern states, the orders going that way, have been really late, and the northeast and the west coast have been really either early or on time. So I'm not sure what's going on with the southern states like Texas and Mississippi and Georgia, but for some reason it seems like the ETAs in the south are just way off. And I spoke with USPS and UPS and FedEx. They've all told me they cannot guarantee a single ETA. They never guaranteed them in the first place, which is why it's called an ETA. But they can't even guarantee the ballpark. If they tell you expect this between like the 8th and the 12th, it could be, the 17th or the 18th. So I just want to let you guys know it's not, that I'm shipping late. The second I ship it, usually when you guys order, I have it shipped out that day or the following business day. But some of you guys who have ordered, you guys were concerned with late packages. I just wanted to let you guys know I did receive a bad review because of the post office. So I just wanted to update you guys on all of them have told me that they cannot guarantee it. Even if it's 1 day shipping, they can guarantee that they can ship it out in 1 day, but they can't guarantee it'll get to you in the time frame. So one of the the only bad review I have so far on the shop is because a package says delivered through the tracking, but I guess it was delivered to a front desk and whoever received it didn't put it in the right box, or they didn't leave it in a safe spot, so the buyer didn't get it. So I did send out another set. So it should be there today or tomorrow for that buyer. And I just want you guys to know, once I ship out, the packages, it's out of my control. All I get is a tracking number to give you guys. I want you guys to know that if a package says lost in transit, I will always send you guys out another one. If it says delivered and you guys didn't get it, I will, work with you guys. And some of these packages are insured for a certain amount. And it's covered in certain cases like that. I can always take care of you guys and send you guys another set. I know it's frustrating. Sometimes even at my shop, when I order from various suppliers, the mailman has actually dropped off packages to different shops, different houses on my street even. They've like about 6 or 7 times now this year, they have delivered packages to my neighbors that were meant for me. And everybody knows it. They see my work truck outside and they know where I'm at, and they're like, hey, here's your package. And one thing that I have noticed through COVID is a lot of the post office workers are brand new, and the training wasn't the same as it used to be. Because of COVID, you couldn't ride with somebody. So a lot of these guys, I've talked to the mailman because he keeps delivering to the wrong houses, and he was telling me he's sorry. He's like, I didn't have a lot of training. I just let him know. It's like anytime it says, my company name, My company truck is right here. This is my house. This is for my shop. Just remember it. And so he's gotten better with it. But I can't control if they put it in the wrong box, if they even if, it requires a signature and they don't ask for one, I can't control what the mailman does. So before you guys leave me a bad review because of the mailman, get in touch with me first on the Etsy page and I will work with you guys. You guys can just let me know, hey, it says delivered, but it wasn't here. And I'll work with you. I'm not going to fight with you guys on it. These are just, I made the shop for you guys, for the viewers and the subscribers. For those who asked for a PayPal link to donate and support the channel, the Etsy shop was my way of saying, here's another way where if you want to contribute, at least you get something in return. So it was never meant to be like a way to make money. It's simply just a way to, benefit the channel. So when you guys leave bad reviews, if you guys hate the product, then I mean, by all means, go ahead and give me a bad review. But if it's because of the mail, I just ask that you guys don't give me a 1 star because the mailman messed up. I can't control what they do. Let me know, if you guys show up at your mailbox and it's not there and it says delivered, send me a message first before you guys leave a bad review. Let me know, and then I'll ship you out another set. You know what I mean? Like, no matter what, like it's all to get you guys the sets. So just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that shipping is weird, especially in the South for some reason. It seems like packages are getting there late. Some have been on time. I don't know what's going on with the centers down there. If it says that they have a lot of shortages with workers at the shipping centers. So just know that ETAs are pretty much useless at this point. Take them with a grain of salt. Some are early, some are late, some are on time, some are within 2 or 3 days. None of them can guarantee it. So no matter who I ship through, they've all told me it's the same thing. They're like, it's literally the same thing. So I just wanted to let you guys know, again, those of you who did order from the shop, let me know if you guys would like a sticker. Send me a message on the Etsy page. Let me know that you guys did order, and I'll send you guys one out on the house. That way I can make sure that you guys all get a sticker, and anyone who orders from here forward, one of these will be in the package along with your sets. And these are vinyl, so these will actually hold up outside. You can put these on your car. They're, you peel them off, and these will last a really long time. They're a pretty high quality sticker, so you guys can put it on, your window or your desk or wherever you want to put it, and it will hold up to the sun, pretty well. These are almost made out of the same decals that you'd put like a company name on like a vehicle. So just wanted to update you guys on that and let you guys know that the stickers did come in. And again, thank you guys for everyone who has left good reviews on the Etsy page and has supported the Etsy page and the channel. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for continuing to watch the channel and help it grow. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you have a nice day.